Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Anani with At Home with Anani. Thank you so very much for taking your precious time to watch this video. As always, it gives me great pleasure to serve you guys by making this video. So let's get started. Well guys, I am here again to share with you my grocery haul. I have not been to Costco yet. We are on day 6 of rain here in Texas, and I just didn't want to drive that far to do grocery shopping. So I decided to go to Kroger's, Aldi's, and Walmart to get some items. So if you want to see what I got, keep watching. Okay, the first item I got was some bananas. Actually, I got 4, but I ate one already. I got me some top sirloin steaks. I am going to cook this right now. This one was $6.88 and this one was $6.36. Then on Sunday I am going to cook these ribeye steaks. The regular price was $33 and I got it for $26. I got me some ginger from Aldi's. I have not seen combos in like forever and a day, so I picked up this bag and I started to eat it. I got me some pumpkin, some pie crust, so I can do some baking during the holidays. I got some organic smoothies. I don't know who this is by, but it was on sale. The regular price on it was $2.99, so I got it for $1.49. So I got 5 of those. I got this watermelon water. It's cold pressed. Never tried it before. The regular price I believe was like $7.49, and I got it for $3.79. Kroger's had organic apple juice on sale, so I got me 5 bottles of those. They were 99 cents each. The regular price is $2.99. So I thought that was an amazing price. From Aldi's, I got a large avocado to make avocado toast. I got 4 cucumbers. They're in my basket here because I'm getting ready to wash them. And I got 2 tomatoes. Also, Kroger's had on sale cereal. I think it was Frosted Flakes, Fruit Loops, and I think Apple Jacks. So I just got 5 boxes of these. Regular price was $2.99. So for 99 cents, I thought it was an awesome deal. I got some Munster cheese, an organic sweet citrus kit. I'm going to have this for lunch with the ribeye steaks. I've never tried this flavor in the suja, so when I saw it was $4.49, I figured I'd give it a try. So I got 3 of these. And finally, I got Miss Patty's sweet potato pie. I've never tried it before, so I want to see what the rave is about. Well guys, this is the end of my haul. Again, I did not go to Costco because like I said, we are on day 6 of rain here in Texas, and I did not feel like going out in that rain to try to buy some stuff, so I just went to the nearest store and got me some items to last me till probably Monday. Hopefully the rain will be done by Monday. Again guys, thank you so very much for taking your precious time to watch this video. As always, it gives me great pleasure to serve you guys by making this video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Again guys, thank you so much for watching. Everybody be blessed. Have an awesome day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.